One Facebook Reels to play automatically without constantly swiping. In this quick 2026 updated guide, you will learn a simple method to make watching Reels smoother and more convenient. Follow each step carefully and within minutes you will have exactly what settings to check for hand-free scrolling experience on your device today. So let's jump right in. First of all, open the Facebook application on your phone. After the app is open, go to the Reels tab at the bottom. Once any Reels is open, simply you can tap on the three dots more icon at the bottom right corner. Here you can scroll down a little, look for the scroll to next Reels automatically. Once you found them, simply tap on it and automatically enable. Once the present Reels is completely watched them, automatically scrolling the next Reels and play it easily. Thanks for watching. If this Facebook Reels guide helped you, give it a like, subscribe to my channel.